Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Box Tricks. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install the TBT Iptv app on an Android box. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is we're going to go into our apps and you're going to find your internet browser. So I'm going to open my apps. On this particular box, it's Chrome. Sometimes it's called TV browser, app browser, Firefox. It just depends on what type of Android box that you have. So go ahead and open it up. And in the top where it says search, you're going to go up there. Sometimes on certain remotes, you can use your mouse button or the mouse function to navigate up there. I'm using a wireless remote. So up there, we're just going to go ahead and type the URL. It's http://bit.ly /TBT, oops, let me back up, TBT, lowercase a pp. So I'm going to turn my mouse off and I'm going to use my keyboard and I'm going to go down in the lower right hand corner and select go. So this is saying that Chrome needs storage access. Go ahead and press continue. If you get that pop up, go ahead and press allow. Go ahead and press download. And just bear with it a few moments. All right, so at the bottom, it's popping up open. Go ahead and select open. And this is saying for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You want to go into your settings and select allow it to install from unknown sources. All right, so we got to go turn this on. Now, not all boxes are like this. Some of them already have this function set. Some of them you do have to go in and set it. All right, so I'm just going to back out. And in the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to select install. And just bear with it while it's installing. If this is your first time checking us out, I just want to say welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. And also give us a thumbs up if this video is helpful. Also drop us a comment below. So at this time, you can go ahead and select done. And I want to show you how to pull this particular app out to your home screen shortcuts. So go ahead and back out again. So we're going to go to this plus icon. Go ahead and select it. And we're going to look for our TBT app, which is right there. Once you select it, it's going to give you a check mark. Now go ahead and hit your backup button again. And you have your TBT app out here. When you select it, it's going to ask for a username and password. You have to wait until you receive the email because your username and password will be in that email, and then you're able to enter that information in and have access to the app. So that is basically it, y'all. That's a wrap. If y'all have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also give us a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful. Thanks.